Hey homeowners, wondering what the best roofing materials are for your climate? Let's dive in. Choosing the right roofing materials is crucial for durability, energy efficiency, and hot climates. Materials like clay tiles or metal roofs are great for reflecting heat. For those of you that have flat roofs, the white TPO roof covering would be ideal for great reflectivity and keeping your home cool. If you're in a colder type climate, the asphalt shingle or composite shingle would be an excellent choice because they can withstand heavy snow and ice. These choices would be also ideal for areas that experience a lot of rain. You'd also want to keep in mind the local weather patterns for your area when choosing materials for your roof in order to ensure a long-lasting waterproof roofing system. Your roof never takes a day off from the day that it's installed. So if you're not sure which materials are best for your home, we are A1 Roofing's KangaRoof. And we entice you to look us up, check us out at KangaRoof.com for expert advice and for a free consultation. My name is Maurice, and we're here to help keep you covered from the elements. And thank you.